Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I'm going to show you how to change default apps in Windows. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First, click on the Start menu and open the Settings app. You can also do that by pressing on your keyboard Windows key plus I button. And in the Settings window, select Apps and after then choose Default Apps. You will see a list of various categories like email, maps, music player, photo viewer, video player, web browser, and so on. Click on the app you want to change and choose a new default app from the list of available options. If you want to set a specific file type to open with a particular app, scroll down and click on Choose Default Apps by File Type. This allows you to select default apps for specific file extensions. This setting will automatically change the media player when a file will comes with .3gp extension. Once you have made your selections, simply close the settings window and your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You have successfully changed the default apps in Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TechFox and hit that like button for more real-time problem-solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.